So you already know what it is. We are in Thailand right now. We're back, man. Excited to be back. I guess to say T-Dot Globetrotter in this, yo. The whole day I was kind of just running around. When I got to Japan, the connection in Japan, yeah, I had like to sprint like 10 minutes to make a flight, and it was crazy. There was a weather delay in Toronto. It was thunderstorm, held us back 2 hours. It's a good thing I purchased a 2-hour 50-minute layover in Japan, because that was the last flight out, and now we're here. Just posted my Airbnb. I had to take a shower and a bunch of shit. I've been traveling for almost 24 hours, so a little jet lag. My boy Carol's coming through from South Africa. We met on the cruise. That's gonna be lit. I haven't seen him in years, and he hasn't traveled for a while, so he's coming in tomorrow. We're gonna meet up here and then go to Phuket. We booked a villa in Phuket. Airbnb. It's very simple. This was $24. That's crazy, because this is not $24 in Toronto or North America, anywhere. Like, the prices are crazy. But yeah, it's a little small, you know, a little thing. Little balcony, whatever. Type shit. Not much really happening, but I'm only here for the night. Then we're off again. Flight's about an hour to Phuket. Can't wait to, go on this journey. Travel again, finally. Last place I've been was Vancouver, but I was in Canada. Last place outside of Canada was New York. So yeah, man. Let's get litty. Get me. I wanna slide, wanna lie. I like your music. Thank you so much. Take care, guys. Alright, so we're at Burger King right now, and they got chicken at Burger King. Like crispy chicken type shit. Chicken like this. Jeez. And they have crispy eyes. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know how this tastes though. Sanders is fun. Literally, fast food restaurants, like, other than North America, it's actually way better.
12 seconds later.
Fried chicken is alright. So whatever. It's kind of dry. Chicken sandwich though, proper. Wanna feel the way you lie. There you go. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's up, bro? Long time, man. What's going on, bro? Bro?
Yeah, we had thought that, man.
This is recording too, bro.
Yeah, man. Let's get it up,
man.
I'm excited, bro.
Manila's gonna be sick.
Is it?
It's gonna be sick.
I also think so, though.
Even this room is cool, bro.
When you in here,
Right here, yeah.
What did you do last night?
I just chilled. Yeah, you know, that's smart, bro. You want to shower? You want to shower? You got to shower quick.
Yeah, I must take a shower. Can you brush now?
Stay with you, standing there waiting for her. Say goodbye to the summer. It's so wet, I make a fountain. Ice on my body.
What's going on, yo? Yo, where are we going right now, bro?
Phuket, Thailand.
Phuket.
Exciting times.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna spend the 6 nights.
Yeah. Calm before the storm.
Calm before the storm.
Tomorrow morning, James Bond Island.
Jeez. Gonna see where they filmed James Bond, the movie. I don't know which one. Which one did they film?
First have some beers.
What was that?
First have some beers.
First have some beers. For sure. What was the beer that we had? Asahi? Asahi? Isn't that Japanese?
Wanna try the Chang? And then there's another one as well.
Sings. Language barrier is hard there. Hard here, I can't lie. Saying things where we have to keep repeating ourselves. There's the airport, it's a little small airport. Go see you in Phuket. Hi, bro.